Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Onslaught World of Tanks. This competitive mode pits two teams of 7 Tier X vehicles against each other. The matchmaking system ensures you face opponents of similar skill, making every battle a true test of mastery. You'll also utilize unique role and tactical skills to gain an edge. Plus, a pre-battle lobby lets you adjust your tank and loadout, ensuring you're ready for the fight ahead. Onslaught introduces several key mechanics. Capturing points of interest, like a comms center in 7 seconds, grants tactical skills such as divisional radar, spotting all enemies for 3 seconds. Each of the 15 combat roles has a unique role skill with 3 charge levels, becoming more potent as it charges. Fog of War adds a layer of stealth, and combat modifiers provide benefits like 650 extra hit points and 50% faster consumable cooldowns. Selecting the right tank is crucial. Heavies like the 6.0 TP, heavy tank destroyers, and versatile mediums such as the CS63 or E50M are often strong choices. Teamwork is paramount. Always stay with your group to avoid being isolated. Focus on controlling key map areas by capturing points of interest. Be flexible and adjust your strategy on the fly, reacting to enemy positions and tank types to secure victory. To truly master Onslaught, always play to win, as rating points are gained for victories and lost for defeats. Don't hesitate to use premium ammunition when needed. 2 bounces can change the outcome. Effective communication with your team, often through voice chat, is vital for coordinated pushes and defenses. Finally, analyze your performance after each battle to understand what worked and what didn't, continuously refining your skills to climb through the 6 ranks and 22 divisions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.